Student wants to emphasize a similarity between the two paintings. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. In 1851, German-American artist Emanuel Lutz painted Washington crossing the Delaware. His huge painting, 149 by 255 inches, depicts the first U.S. president crossing a river with his soldiers in the Revolutionary War. In 2019, Cree artist Kent Monkman painted Mistykoswiak, Wooden Boat People, Resurgence of the People. Monkman's huge painting, 132 by 264, was inspired by Lutz's. It portrays indigenous people in a boat rescuing refugees. So, student wants to emphasize a similarity between the two paintings. Now, with this information, let's look at the answer choices to find the similarity. A. Monkman, a Cree artist, finished his painting in 2019. Lutz, a German American artist, completed his in 1851. This is incorrect because this highlights a difference between the two, which is time. The first one, well, the Cree artist painted his in 2019, and the German artist completed his in 1851. So A is incorrect because it does not emphasize a similarity between the two paintings. B. Although Monkman's painting was inspired by Lutz's, the people and actions that the two paintings portray are very different. So this is incorrect because this highlights a difference between the two paintings, not a similarity. C. Lutz's and Monkman's paintings are both huge, measuring 149 by 255 inches and 132 by 264 inches respectively. This seems to be the correct answer because this properly emphasizes a similarity between the two paintings, which is that they are both huge. D. Lutz's painting depicts Revolutionary War soldiers, while Monkman's depicts indigenous people and refugees. This is incorrect because this is a difference between the two paintings, not a similarity. And with that, the correct answer is C.